Want to make professional YouTube videos without breaking a sweat? Stick around because today I'm showing you how Invideo AI can transform your ideas into stunning videos and why the Max monthly membership is a total game changer. Creating content for YouTube can often feel like a daunting task. From brainstorming ideas to scripting, filming, and editing, the process can be time-consuming and overwhelming. But what if I told you there's a way to simplify all of this? Imagine being able to cut down your editing time significantly, allowing you to focus more on the creative aspects of your content. That's where Invideo AI comes in. This powerful tool is designed to streamline your video creation process, making it easier and faster than ever before. With Invideo AI, you have access to a vast library of templates and assets that can help you create professional-looking videos in no time. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, Invideo AI has something for everyone. The user-friendly interface allows you to drag and drop elements, customize templates, and add your own personal touch to each video. Plus, with features like automated voiceovers, background music, and transitions, you can create high-quality videos without needing advanced editing skills. But that's not all. The Max monthly membership offers even more benefits. With unlimited access to premium templates, stock footage, and music, you can take your videos to the next level. Plus, you'll get priority support and early access to new features, ensuring you always have the best tools at your disposal. So if you're serious about creating professional YouTube videos but want a little more freedom in your life, Invideo AI is the solution you've been looking for. Click the link below to get started with Invideo AI today. Stick around as we dive deeper into how this incredible tool can revolutionize your content creation process. Let's get started. First, head over to the Invideo AI website by clicking the link in the description. Signing up is easy and straightforward. Simply click on the Sign Up button located at the top right corner of the home page. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Google or Facebook account for a quicker process. Once you have filled in the necessary details, click on the Create Account button. After successfully creating your account, you will be taken to the dashboard. Here you can explore various features and tools that Invideo AI offers. If you opt for the Max monthly membership, you unlock a plethora of premium features that can significantly enhance your video creation experience. These premium features include unlimited exports, which means you can create and download as many videos as you want without any restrictions. This is particularly beneficial for content creators who need to produce a high volume of videos regularly. Additionally, the Max monthly membership provides access to advanced customization tools. These tools allow you to fine-tune every aspect of your video, from transitions and effects to text overlays and audio tracks. You can also take advantage of the extensive library of stock footage, images, and music to add a professional touch to your videos. One of the standout features of the Max monthly membership is priority support. This means that if you encounter any issues or have any questions, you will receive prompt assistance from the Invideo AI support team. This can be incredibly valuable, especially when working on tight deadlines or complex projects. In summary, signing up for Invideo AI is a simple process that opens the door to a wide range of powerful video creation tools. By opting for the Max monthly membership, you can unlock premium features that will help you create high-quality videos with ease and efficiency. So head over to the Invideo AI website today and start your journey towards creating stunning videos. Write your own script or just describe your idea in a few sentences. Invideo AI takes it from there and turns your idea into a professional-grade video. Choosing the right platform is crucial in your content creation journey. YouTube is one of the most popular platforms, offering features and tools to grow your audience and enhance your content. With YouTube, you gain access to a vast community of viewers and creators, making it easier to share your message and connect with like-minded individuals. Invideo's Max membership unlocks exclusive perks, including access to premium templates that give your videos a professional look without extensive editing skills. Imagine having a library of high-quality templates at your fingertips, ready to be customized to fit your unique style and brand. Enhanced visual effects are another fantastic benefit. These effects make your videos more engaging and visually appealing, helping you stand out. Whether you're adding dynamic transitions, animations, or stunning filters, these tools can elevate your content. Customization is key for building a brand on YouTube. The platform allows you to personalize your channel to reflect your brand's identity, from custom banners and profile pictures to tailored video thumbnails and descriptions. Engaging with your audience is critical. YouTube provides tools like comments, live chats, and community posts to interact with your viewers, helping you build a loyal community of followers. YouTube's analytics tools offer valuable insights into your channel's performance. By understanding your audience's behavior and engagement patterns, you can make informed decisions to improve your content strategy. Choosing YouTube can significantly enhance your content creation journey. From exclusive perks and enhanced visual effects to extensive customization options and robust analytics, YouTube offers everything you need to build a successful channel. Now let Invideo AI work its magic. With the Max membership, you get access to faster rendering speeds, making your video creation process even smoother. The AI handles everything from cutting to transitions, ensuring a professional finish. You can sit back and relax while the software does all the heavy lifting. In just a few minutes, your video will be ready to share with the world. Enjoy the efficiency and quality that Invideo AI brings to your creative projects. Download your video and upload it to YouTube. Premium tools ensure your video stands out from the competition, helping you grow your channel faster. Don't settle for basic. Unlock your full creative potential with Invideo AI's Max monthly membership. Try it today by clicking on the link in the description and see the incredible difference for yourself. Elevate your creativity to new heights